How's it going, everyone? My name is Alex Pizarro. Welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and liking on this video. So today we're going to be talking about what's been going on Canon rumors. Actually, when I read it, I was so excited that the fact that this is the week where the Canon R6 will be shipped. I ordered mine the day of the launch of the R6 and R5. So for that being said, I can't wait to get my hands on it and do an unboxing right here on this channel. And basically what I do is I talk about a lot of film gear, film reviews, anything regarding filmmaking. And so with that being said, one of the three top things that I look for in this camera when I get my hands on it, number one, I'm definitely testing out the 4K 60. I'm testing out the low light and the recording times as well. So I'm gonna do some real world testing, and once I also get my hands on it, I'm definitely gonna test out another thing is the lenses that I already invested in. I have thousands of dollars invested on EF lenses from Canon, and also this little guy, the EOS R adapter. This guy is hard to find, and so I got lucky on finding one of these off of Facebook Marketplace. But I was like, I'm so glad I got this for a very reasonable price, basically. And so for that being said, I can't wait to get my hands on this, and I hope to get an email soon notification that the R6 will be shipping out this week. I've heard rumors about being delayed as well, but again, I don't know or to confirm that validation. However, if you guys stay tuned, I'll definitely post some more videos in regards to this. Again, guys, stay creative out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.